everybody, and welcome to the last Sunday of my Decorate Your Life Marie Antoinette Project Share for the month of February, like I said. And we are going to move in next week to the March kit. My opening will come out next Sunday, and this one is going to be one that you want to watch out for, and you're going to want to watch the newcomers to our team. Hello, Leslie and Denise. These two ladies are phenomenal, and this is my QR code. I'm sorry about the glare, but that's it. Let's go up here. There we go. Well, no matter where I go, you're going to get a little bit of a glare, but there it is. And you can also just use the run to 15 for 15% off your cart upon checkout. Okay, and Sandy's got some amazing deals going. So hop on over there and get in on some beautiful Easter shopping. And I believe, possibly, don't quote me on it because this video is coming out on Sunday, the sale on this kit may have ended, but go over and check. And then while you're there, sign up for the newsletter, because once you're on the newsletter, you don't miss any sales, right? Okay, and so I'll put a link to the design team. I'll put my code in the link, or why did I screw that up? Sorry, guys. I will put a link to Sandy's sites, her Facebook, her Etsy, her web store, and then the design team as well. They'll all be in the description, or in the description box below. And you are going to want to go over, if you have not seen the fantastic February hop that the ladies did. There were 3 of them. There was Jenny, Denise, and Leslie. I'm telling you guys, these ladies are phenomenal. And then the journal that Dalia did with this is just interesting. I mean, you can't keep your eyes off of it. It's just that gorgeous. Okay, so I don't have my button box right now, but I did make a button box, and then I made this little notebook, and I tabbed each of those sections so that if and when it's empty, I can just refill it. And then I come to the conclusion that yes, I want this to live on my desk at work, so that's where it's going to go. And then I'll make another one for the button box, because guess what? I have the digital. So that's the other thing. If you go over and you buy the digital, you can just keep making things. So let's say you are in love with this kit and you've got 20 ideas, then go over and get it, and you'll have as many copies as you need. Now I did do the little ring, little spiral guy on here. I'm not done with this. I had just gotten it started when I realized we are almost at the end of the month and I need to step it up. So I'll be working on this throughout this week, and then next weekend you're going to see the opening of the new kit collection, and then you'll see this one finished up. And so what I did was I just took my pink paper and I cut it to fit, and then I glued the little pockets in. I'm using the 5x8. I'm going to make these little tags, little writing spots, and then I'm going to take these pieces and put them on here for some oomph, and then this one will go on the next one across. And see, I've just done these all equal. They're all the same. Okay, so then I will show you again. I'll do one of these just like that all the way across, and if I run out, I'm not going to worry, because there were 2 in each set. See, there were 2. If you get her to print them, you get 2 per set, right? However, if you get the digital, you can print as many as you like. And then I have these. And these, I still think I want to do, well, you'll just have to wait and see. And then I have these left over for yet another project. But I didn't have much. These I'm going to cut out, and I'm going to put back here. We'll fussy cut those, and those are going to go in the center of each of the little doilies. So the teapot will go, each one of these has a place to be. Okay, they all have a home. And next weekend, when I bring to you the, you'll get 2 videos next weekend. You'll get one for the opening, and then you'll get one separate of the finishing, the flip through of this. And then I have some beautiful lace that I'm going to do in and out of here, and that will finish this up. And then I went with, okay, so do you guys remember the galantines that the design team girls did? Well, that is the galantines present from one of the gifts I got from Jenny, and then I've got my own little rosettes that I'm going to put on the corner. And yeah, that was it. That wraps up this finale. Go see what Dalia did and with her journal. But I like this. It's simple. Oh, I'm going to doll it all up with lace too. But that being said, this is a simple, quick, and easy journal to make if you're pushed for time and you need to get something quick made for somebody. The kit's basically done. You could just glue it together or link it together and put a few pockets in it, and voila, you are finished. You've got your project. It's complete. So I liked doing this. I just love working on Sandy's collection. She's just amazing. All right, so there's that. And then the little notebook that goes with it. And then my little box. I would have made the box bigger had I known I was going to make this. But that is it, guys. And I hope you'll stick around for more amazing, wonderful things coming your way from the design team over at Decorate Your Life. And, of course, from Sandy, who creates the collections. Thank you, Sandy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.